Right, so it's another page, the last page I've done so far on the little book, and so I shall talk about this now. And so it's obscured by this here, which is covering it from the last video. And so this is a piece called Bills, and I got the idea from this really. I wanted to use these offcuts to blanket something, and I want to do something with this text that was left over from something helping my bills. So then I only ended up having money coming down, and it's only coins, so it's not very much. And this thing shining a not a spotlight, but a high magnifying something about a house. So household bills and so forth. And you've got the tearing, which shows how things in society are fragmented and difficult. It looks rough, grimy, things are hard, and that's really what this is about. There's not much to it, so it's kind of a bit more like especially it's a bit more like kind of what my earlier work would be. But right now, I'm like I say with this book, I've been liking having the tearing in it a lot. So I don't know if this is something I'll continue, or I should knock on its head, just true, but to see what would work. What if I could do some other things. So right now it seems to be working, going, and I've only done this amount of pages, and as you can see, it's now starting to make the book thicken out a bit. So at some point, about halfway through, I'm probably might end up being like this. So we'll see if I can actually end up doing every page on here. This was the idea, but whether that'll work out or not, I don't know. I'm gonna have to scan these in soon as well before they get too damaged. I mean, with this piece previously, things are damaged. It fits in with it. And this one was done 16th of June. So I've got to do some more, because that's the last one for now. Oh, I've gone over the side of the page as well. Oh well. So let me know what you think of this. It's very, very quick and simple, and it's to the point. Like, share, and subscribe. My link tree has my merch links in it, which has my link tree, which is my merch links and my socials, and it also has the link to this the book here. As you see, it's a bit of a monster, and that's available through Lulu, and it also has a link to my Patreon if you want to help me out that way. So, but obviously the free way to help me is to like, share, and subscribe, and comment as well. So, and so do certainly like to hear from you, and I shall speak to you soon. Thank you.